Hi adventure seekers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Nature Guest Tours, where I explore the world's most incredible natural wonders. Today, let's dive into one of Rwanda's top attractions. We are going to look on the majestic mountain gorillas of Volcanoes National Park in Virunga Mountains. Really, there's a critically endangered giants led by powerful silverbacks, and they live in dense forest. They munch on plants across well-habituated gorilla families. Thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and ecotourism, their population has grown to over 1,000,
Rwanda's
with
Mount
gorilla
Megillus, a
trekking
critically
permits of
endangered subspecies, inhabit Volcanoes National
$1,500
Park in the Virunga
per
Mountains. About
each
12
per
habituated
one
gorilla
gorilla.
families live in dense
Really,
forests,
they
feeding
generated
on plants and meat by
millions
silverbacks.
annually for local
Conservation,
communities,
including ant poaching
trekking
and
through
colorism
misty
gorilla trekking
forests
permits
to
at
witness these gentle
$1,500,
creatures
has boosted their
in their natural
population to over
habitat is a
1,000,
life-changing
generating millions
experience,
annually.
offering a rare
Challenges
glimpse
include
into their
habitat loss and
family's
disease.
dynamics and
Rwanda's
behaviors.
efforts are a global
Beyond
conservation
gorillas,
success.
Rwanda's commitment to conservation and vibrant culture makes it a must-visit destination. Welcome, explore the heart of Africa in Rwanda. Book your trip to Volcano National Parks for an unforgettable gorilla trekking adventure and discover the country's stunning landscapes and warm hospitality. If you loved these glimpses into Rwanda's gorillas, hit that like button and subscribe to Nature Guest Tours for more exciting content on the world's top tourism and attractions. Stay wild and see you in the next video.